Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny. So today is my brother's 25th birthday. It's my brother's 25th birthday. I hope this thing is focused. I'm filming this on not a vlogging camera. I have no idea if this lens is focused or not. I'm waiting on my brother to get here. We're supposed to be eating steaks today. Steak and potatoes and salad and all of that good stuff. Once my dad gets off work, he's gonna grill everything up. I'm gonna let y'all celebrate my brother's birthday with us.
Oh my God.
What is? He's a no 8. Listen to my mama, y'all.
Happy birthday to Junior. Wait, I heard that door. Your dad told us to start the chicken car so you steaks for a long time.
Lincoln outside.
Guess what Lincoln said? What? I need help. Said it. Fine. To the desk. Lincoln.
So there's someone I have to refocus. Yeah, her. It's really long.
Happy birthday to Junior.
Ooh. Happy birthday, Lil Greg. What are you doing?
You know what I'm typing right now. I was typing a whole lot of game. I swear to God, look, I only got a hole in there.
Court's here. And Neek. No worries, folks. My dad will be taking over really soon. Don't be fooled. You cooking today? She cooking today. So yeah, folks, I'm gonna do my best to get footage for you all today. Don't have a vlogging camera. Didn't want to really film this on my phone, but I want to give a bunch of disclaimers about.
I already did.
I need to film this intro for BOON'S video too. Definitely go and check out BOON'S YouTube channel and subscribe. It's gonna be right here on the screen. Boom, right here in the corner. Check it out. I'm featured in it, so I mean, that's all the more reason to go watch, right? Plus it's D-Side. Who's in the house? We got D-Side in the house. You gotta go over to her channel to see the rest. No previews over here.
My son likes his steak to have that steak flavor, okay? You want to have it at room temperature. A lot of people marinate. If you just like a marinade, I like Adele's, but I cut it because I don't want all of this sodium content in it. I'm going to use All of Destiny has changed up everything up here. I got one of my favorite steak seasoning, and one thing the olive oil does, it moistens it, and then it helps the seasoning to stay with the meat. Because my son, for some reason, he loved steak. These people have changed up all of my seasonings, which makes it hard for me to come to you all and show you what I want to do. I fought All of Destiny for this. I mean, I don't mess with her vlogs on her or any of those issues.
So she real right.
Interesting, folks.
They gonna copy you over there.
Rearrange everything. And
Mom, what is that to take a picture of?
okay, so I'm gonna go to phase 2.
Phase 2?
I got to.
Okay, folks.
All right, Greg.
I changed the
Tell
tongue.
them what your fifth birthday.
What's this?
Okay.
Hello.
Big old T-bone steak so y'all can see. After a long day, well, let me see how tired you are, Greg.
I'm not tired.
They say he'll
He
get
picked
tired.
his T-bone steak for his birthday.
I'm a little tea with All of Destiny right now.
Oh.
Wow.
So next vlog
I just
she
call
has
myself
on her,
organizing, but it looks a little messed up
next
already.
vlog she has on her, it's not gonna be found. But
Mom, why you do that? Why don't you? My mama film entire videos instead of just putting it on her story. It make me so mad. Like, put that on your story. Nobody put videos on their timeline no more unless they're like relevant. I mean, you're a mama, so I guess you can. What is that called again?
This is a tenderizer. Everybody has their own way doing things. But,
It's like send it to where I send it to.
You don't send it to nobody.
When I click send to, where I go?
Go back. Click that button right there. No, yours. Click save then. You want to put some on the screen or just click? Click that up there. Now start typing.
Can I tag him on this?
Yeah, you can.
What's
Okay, let me
your
help
name
you.
on here?
Type in the @ you can click it if it pops up. Yeah. And now move it around. Don't put it all the way to the bottom. You're going to delete it. Take it back up there. You're going to put it in the trash can. Don't put it too far in the corner. Different phone sizes. It'll get chopped off. Click your story. Alright, folks. Whoever that is just got a little shout out.
Me, myself.
Me, myself.
I like
to think that I was
adding
creative.
something to them. Make them a little bit more tasty.
All right.
That's about it. The next phase will be going to the grill.
Going to the grill, folks.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Dad.
All of destiny.
My daddy tripped me out when he called me all of destiny. What is Mr. Lincoln doing? Can I put Lincoln on the vlog?
Yes.
Let me get it back on focus.
Get in that court.
Get in there, court. Let me get over so I get both of y'all. Mr. Lincoln playing with his pool. Copyright. Get it, court. Get it, Mr. Lincoln.
That's just how I'm living. Money and pretty women. Hundreds and fifties. That's all I'm getting. That's just how I'm living. Money and pretty women. Baddest bras in the city. That's all I'm hitting.
Okay.
I'm in Michael's and I'm finally getting my degree framed and matted and all that good stuff.
Degree can fit. You can put the cover in
You
also.
can, but you know that's going to be a bigger frame. We'd have to cut this apart and then frame this in one opening and that in another opening. I don't want to.
They should have put biology on it, but they just put science.
Yeah. Wait.
I said you would think they.
Just
I'm
about-
like,
it's
hey,
about- when it gets on,
but I'm
when she
like,
goes on down the road,
I'm
it'll
like-
be more.
give me my look.
That's right.
All those books she threw up against that wall.
All right, honey. I didn't stick it back in the
Okay, that's fine.
little ribbons for you. All right. If you'll sign for me.
I'm leaving Michael's, finally getting my degree out of this thing. It's been in my room, just chilling like in the original little things. Well, this isn't even the original thing. Actually, it was that's Junior. Sending pictures of cars. That's Junior. In a little envelope, like when you go and pick it up and stuff like that. And then I put it in this, which is what you get when you go across the stage. But now I just paid to pretty much have it like framed and matted and all of that good stuff. I was just gonna purchase one like off the shelf at Michael's, but I was like, nah, let's get this properly done. What is that? Yeah, I hate this angle. Ugh. Now we're gonna leave and probably get lunch. I didn't even introduce this vlog. I just cut it on and start filming because I wanted to get footage of me doing this because it's kind of relevant. A lot of relevant. All the money I paid for that degree, I may as well pay to get it properly framed. She going in with her frame. She probably just
She
gonna have
said
to
it
put
used to
in.
be rules too.
Yeah.
The way you
So I
should.
pretty much like I was able to pick out the
said
frame
now you
and like what you call those little things that I was picking out, the little gray and those are the mats. So they had like a bunch of different options that you can look at.
She was real patient.
Yeah, she was really patient because I was like, no, let me see how this one looks again. No, I think I like it like, no, let me look at that one. No. For all that money I'm paying, she better be. That sounded kind of harsh, huh? Yeah, she asked me if I wanted to go with the U of M colors, but I didn't like that. I didn't like that, y'all. It looked kind of funny. Oh man, sweet pea, we gotta get you a car mount, honey. A car mount.
Bye.
Boy. Okay, so we just got to Olive Garden now. About to look at the menu and decide what I want to get to eat. We like right in front of a window, so I got good lighting too.
Julie told me, Mom, you stop that chicken in when you at places.
So I'm thinking either the stuffed chicken marsala or this one, the chicken and shrimp carbonara. We got this whole section to ourselves because Sweet Pea didn't want to sit at a table. By the way, it's my parents' 28th anniversary today.
Seafood, she girl, yes.
Yes, she likes cheese.
I do. I think I'm gonna do the one that's the table.
Tell her when, Sweet Pea.
I like a lot of cheese. Go, 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 go.
That's good.
That's good. All right.
Because she ain't gonna never say nothing.
That's all we are. I ain't gonna.
Mango strawberry tea. Why you adding extra salt and pepper, Sweet Pea, huh?
Because I like flavor. I like flavor. Yes, I do.
Do y'all add extra salt and pepper? Or nah? Comment down below and let us know. Normally I do at home when I make a salad, but Olive Garden salad, I feel like it's flavorful enough. The stuffed chicken, marsala. I don't know if it's marsala or marsala. I'm sure you all will correct me down below. And Sweet Pea has chicken, Alfredo chicken lasagna. I'm trying to get y'all some close-ups, but it won't focus. I'm still vlogging on my phone, by the way. I haven't purchased the camera yet. Thinking about getting the G7X. We'll see. So Sweet Pea said her chicken, what you call this? Chicken what?
Lasagna.
Her chicken lasagna. It's so tender.
It is.
We about to find out. I don't like how the light just hit me
And the
right here.
sauce so smooth tasting.
She said the sauce so smooth. She's selling this lasagna right now.
Tasting.
Oh yeah.
So that is the bomb chicken.
That's good, Sweet Pea.
I told you.
I want that. Well, out of me and Sweet Pea's meals, I would suggest y'all get the chicken
Man, this is good.
Alfredo chicken lasagna over my stuffed chicken marsala with mashed potatoes. Garlic mashed potatoes is what it said. Yeah, that's better than this. It's good, but that's better.
They just, I don't know if they just made this fresh or fresh back or what. This is it.
This is it.
Burn calories 153 calories.
Okay, y'all, I left a video exporting while I ran to the gym. Like, I was working on this nail tutorial. I'm like, let me let this video run and export. If y'all follow me on Instagram, then y'all know how I complain about how long it takes for videos to export. And so, it took about 40 minutes. My class was like an hour.
What you doing?
So, I'm vlogging. I was like, I can let this.
It's taking you a month and a half to make my wig.
Ain't taking no month and a half to make your wig.
Saturday, period, bro. I don't care what you doing.
Okay.
Both of them.
Your sister shouldn't talk to you like that.
My
This is why I
voice
don't watch her
just heavy.
videos.
I'm not even
I hate the
mad
way
at
she
you,
talks to
bro.
you.
I ain't even mad at you, Chris. I'm telling you.
I know. I ain't trying to ruin your image. I was just making a joke. Why is it not connected to the internet? Offline mode.
Connect to the Wi-Fi.
Okay, first off, I'm trying to upload a video. So, what are you doing? I let this export while I ran to the gym. I was like, by the time I come back, it's going to be ready. I'm sitting on the floor because I haven't showered yet. I'm a multitasking type of person. So, while this is uploading to YouTube, I'm going to be in the shower. When I come back from out of the shower, I could actually sit on my bed because I'll be clean. And then I can do the description box, post it, and all of that good stuff. I need to make the thumbnail. After that, since we went to Olive Garden today, y'all probably already saw those clips. I'm going to warm up the rest of that. I don't know if I told you all, but it came with 2 chicken breasts. So I kind of slid the other one to the side. I'm like, I'm not going to touch this one at all. I split my mashed potatoes in half. Since that meal that I got was 800 calories, that means I'm not eating that full meal and then another probably heavy calories on top of that. I'm still just going to consume those 800, but kind of, you know, throughout the day. Plus, I worked out twice. I didn't tell you all. I went to the gym this morning with my mom. So, yeah, she don't want me telling people that. Well, that's the last y'all gonna hear about her working out. She don't want to be broadcasting it. She just want to come with results like pow. Which is why I try not to post my workouts that much either, because I feel like people tend to watch that too much. They want to say, hey, why are you eating this? Why are you eating that? You shouldn't do this. You shouldn't do that. I don't see your results. Your legs don't look different. Your stomach doesn't look flatter, you know. Error has occurred. Checking network connection. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you offline? You just let me go all the way to YouTube, but then you tell me you're offline. Did I even press record? I could not be talking to y'all right now. The way I'm messing stuff up. I gotta get back in the hang vlogging. My laptop is super old, by the way. I bet y'all like, my browser don't look like that. I know. I don't know what the new one looks like either. It's pulling up this, but then it won't let me upload. I don't get it. This ain't tripping. The other day it said I had 133,000 subscribers. Why did it go down to 132? Because I'm not uploading? So let me tell y'all what's funny. Get down, Lincoln. My sister was using my laptop, so she's actually logged in, meaning I would have been posting this. I don't know how they noticed it. I would have posted this to her channel. They would have been like, oh, this our upload another video. Go and subscribe to my sister's channel, by the way. I gotta log out. Why, Lincoln? Why are you throwing things at me, Lincoln? Since the camera died on me, I went ahead and took my shower, warmed up the rest of my food, uploaded the video, finally, the nail tutorial, and that was it for the rest of my night. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned, more vlogs coming soon, and if you all made it to the end of this video, then I thank you all so much for watching.